Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a full face of makeup using products exclusively purchased from shopmissa.com. Shopmissa is a website that sells almost everything for $1. So everything with the exception of my foundation, concealer, and powder, we're gonna be testing out in this video. I'm doing a wear test on this foundation, so that's going to be in a separate video, which will go up before this one. So make sure you check out that video if you haven't already. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go if you're not already. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I appreciate it. Thank you. Here we go. As you can probably tell from the tape on my face, we're going to start with some eyeshadow today. So I got this little 9-pan eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand Amuse Cosmetics. They sell several of these, but they go really quickly. I found that these 9-pan shadows sell out really fast on Shopmissa. So I was glad to get one with a color story that I actually like. They have a lot of eyeshadow options that are like $1. Okay, here's the second row, but they have a lot. Oh, that one's not bad. They have a lot of eyeshadow options, little palettes and things on Shopmissa. So there's a variety. I just have been wanting to get one of these 9-pan ones for a while. Then here's the bottom row. Okay, not bad, not bad. We could definitely get something going. Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you. I'm gonna use this kind of mauve-y shade down in the corner as my transition shade. Very dusty shade, but again, it's $1, so. That's pretty cute, huh? All right, not bad so far. Now I'm gonna take this darker maroon shade in the center and we're just gonna deepen things up a little bit on a smaller fluffy brush. Okay, those two shadows worked very well together. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here on the inner and outer corner. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer and clean up the middle area a touch. Okay, I'm gonna go into this kind of shimmery shade right here in the top corner. And we're gonna hope that she looks good here. Ooh, yeah, pretty. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but we're gonna blend, don't worry. As always, I'm saying that more for myself than anything. This shade, it's a touch chunky. Now I'm taking my big fluffy brush again and I'm just gonna kind of dip, boom, boom, boom. These are the two shades that I used in my crease to begin with. Mix them a little bit. Tap off the excess and take her back through the crease. Now I'm using my smaller fluffy brush to just kind of blend these edges in. We gotta clean it up a little bit still, but I think that that'll work. It's cute, right? Right? So I do have a new foundation from Shopmissa that I'm gonna try. She is gonna get her own little video though, so I'm gonna jump off and do that. Foundation, concealer, and powder is on. If you wanna know how this works out, then check out the other video. Yeah, okay. I've got two options for brow products. Let's check them out. They both look like they've got pretty big tips. This one's black, this one's dark brown. I think I'm gonna use this brown one, the black one. This is from Amuse, and then this is from AOA Studio. Okay, not bad. It's definitely not quite the right color for me. I'd say that the pencil is maybe just a little more on the waxy side than I prefer. Oh, I just made a huge mess. Okay, so it's kind of like the product smears a little bit, and it's not wanting to buff out. It's a $1 brow product, so I'd say for how much it is, it's okay. Definitely not a new go-to or anything. Also, all of this Shopmissa stuff has the disadvantage of being compared to all of the 97-cent in studio products from Walmart that I tried. If you haven't checked out that video, then do that. Why haven't you, you know? Oh my goodness, I am looking like a pasty pale ghost. Need to bring some color back to this face. Okay, yeah, this brow product ain't it, but it was $1. I need to bring some color back to my face, so let's go to this Amuse Cosmetics matte bronzer that I have. She was $1. This color looks a little, I don't know about it, but let's check it out. I was expecting it to be like Powder City, but it actually wasn't that bad, so let's see what happens. It's okay, we'll blend. Yeah, I don't know that this bronzer is a great color for me, but let's see if she'll blend out. I mean, it's working. Like, I have some excellent bronzers, so as far as like, is it my new favorite? Not even close. But it's, you know, it's doing what it ought to do, I guess. It's a little pigmented, so you kind of have to work with it and blend it out. It's not like my Clinique bronzer that just like, I just like touched my face with it and it like distributed perfectly. It's definitely, you gotta mess with it, blend it, make sure you get it how you want it, but not the cutest bronzer in the world, but it's fine. So since it doesn't really like go with my skin tone, I'm just kind of taking my brush, not putting a lot of product on it, and I'm just kind of tapping it all over just to kind of give the rest of my skin a little bit of a flush of that color, because it really doesn't go with my skin tone. We're gonna trick folks into thinking that this goes with my face. I have this Prisma blush that in the pan, so I have used this one before. It looks very dark, but it goes on kind of like a coral-ish type of color. And I have this one from Malibu Glitz. Both of these I got on Shop Miss A. They were both $1. I've tried them both before. I feel like I remembered liking this Prisma blush a little bit more, so we're gonna use it. I don't know. Cute. Cute. Ooh. 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 All right, so for eyeliner, let's see. I've got this LA Colors liquid eyeliner. I also have an Amuse liquid liner. Check them out. Well, they're all very pigmented. I'm gonna check out this LA Colors one. Okay, not bad. It's a very runny, very liquidy formula. I feel like that's such a stupid adjective, liquidy, but I don't know how else to describe it. Very runny, wet. It's a very wet formula. And I feel like it's kind of burning a little bit on my eyelid right now. So on the other eye, I'm gonna try the Amuse one that I have. Okay, so this Amuse liquid eyeliner, definitely the same kind of thing where it's a very liquidy, very runny consistency, but the applicator, I felt like I had a lot more control, and the formula just in general applied a lot easier, and it's not burning. So I would definitely recommend an Amuse eyeliner over an LA Colors, or whatever this one was called. Yeah, LA Colors liquid liner. And much like with everything on Shop Miss A, there are like numerous options for eyeliners that all kind of like do the same thing. So it can be kind of hard to like narrow down exactly what you're wanting, you know? Okay. Now let's do mascara. Now I have talked about this mascara before in my product empties video. This mascara is exceptional in my opinion. It's the SHE Makeup Abracadabra Mega Volume Mascara. My one big complaint about this mascara is that it just dries up so fast. You really can only get so many uses out of it before it dries up. but it works really nicely. All right, so that's mascara. Let's check out lips. I've tried liquid lipsticks from Shop Miss A before, and I haven't liked any of them that I've tried. So I got some lipsticks this time. Interesting. Okay, so this one is from Amuse. I'm just gonna swatch them all, like, I guess, on my hand real quick. Pretty. This one's from LA Colors. Ooh. This one's very waxy, very balmy, this one. Here is one from AOA Studio. Okay, so I kind of got cut off. My phone stopped recording and I didn't even realize it. So I already put on lipstick and my lashes. I went ahead and used this Amuse liquid lipstick and I think it looks fantastic with this eye look. So, boom, there's my face. Oh, I almost completely forgot about highlighter. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have a few different highlighters from Shop Miss A. I've never been very impressed by any of their highlighters ever, but I do have this Majesty Majesty highlighter palette. This is from A2O, which I think is like an extension of the AOA Studio brand, but it's like a little bit different. I want to say this was $5, but you get, you know, 6 different highlighter shades and it's got a mirror and everything. Let me swatch them. Okay, so this is the top row. Cute. Look at this gold one on the finger. Wow. I'll do it kind of up here. Ooh! That would make a great eyeshadow if you like a gold eyeshadow. Nice. I'm gonna try this pink one. I like a good pinky highlighter moment. Very dusty in the pan. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. $5. Not bad. And it has a mirror. That's cool. I don't know. Boom. Full face, everything $1. I'm not mad about it. Best full face I've ever worn? No. Definitely make sure that you're subscribed, like the video, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you're gonna try any of these products or if you have tried any of these products before. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.